Hi everyone, welcome. So I was about to prepare this gizzard and I remembered the old time stories they used to tell us back home when we were very young. They told us that a woman does not eat gizzard. When they prepare gizzard in my house, it is for the men, So I was like, now that I'm eating the gizzard, what will happen? Another part of the chicken that a woman does not eat is the hip. Ukwu okoko. In Igbo culture, a woman does not eat the hip. So please, in your culture, Hausa, Yoruba, and the other African countries, do you have a specific part of the chicken that a woman does not eat? And why? Those days they used to tell us this. I've not heard of the reason. They've not told us the reason for that. Please, ndị okenye na-watch video, comment in the comment section the reason a woman does not eat gizzard or the hip of the chicken. This tradition, is it applicable only to fowl, native fowl killed at home, or the English fowl bought in the market, or frozen chicken, or the way I just bought it in bulk, gizzard in bulk? Is it also applicable to this type of gizzard? These are questions that are yearning for an answer.